All right, so we are starting lesson 3. This is session 1, and the whole purpose or big idea of this lesson is that we are now going to be looking at a sequence of rigid transformations. So what does that mean? It means we're doing more than one. So in lesson 2, we did one transformation at a time. In this lesson, we're going to be doing 2 transformations, sometimes maybe more. So let's see what's happening. We've got this quilt. They want us to graph a pentagon with these vertices. And then we're going to graph another pentagon following these steps. So first, we're going to translate 4 units to the left. And then we're going to rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise around the origin. And the question is the last pentagon, and if you'll notice, it says double prime because we did not one transformation, but 2. First transformation is prime. Second transformation is double prime. The question is the last pentagon the same size and the same shape as our pre-image? So let's take a look. So the question, is it the same size and shape? Yes. A, B, C, D, E is, and this is the symbol for congruent, and congruent means the same size and shape. It's an equal sign with a little squiggly on top. A, B, C, D is congruent to A prime, double prime, C double prime. And then they didn't ask us to explain, but we're going to. Yes, it's congruent because only the location and orientation changed. That is the big idea of this lesson, understanding that it doesn't matter how many rigid transformations we do, the final image will be the exact same size and shape as the pre-image. And that's the big idea. I've got the pentagon here. I'm going to translate it and then I'll be back. All right, so I have translated 4 units to the left and we have the shape in blue. We have one more transformation and it is a rotation. So I've got to write out all the ordered pairs. I've got to switch the X's and the Y's. We're going counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, it's going to move this way. So we're going to end up in quadrant 1 and everything will be positive. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to do the rotation and then I'll be back. All right, so I've done the rotation and so I'm just going to show you one ordered pair. So for point B prime, it was at 2, -2. So for B double prime, I switched them and they're in quadrant 1, so they stay positive. That's why B double prime is at 2, 2. So I did that for all of my primes to get the purple image, which is the final shape. And you can see that they're all exactly the same size and shape.